How to fix add phone number option missing in Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If the phone number option is missing in Roblox, you need to go ahead and check out for some of this common reason. So first and foremost, when you head over to your profile settings to enter the phone number, and if the option is missing, check if the phone number is associated with a terminated Roblox account. In that case, the phone number option might be removed for your specific account. Another reason why is in some of the reason Roblox has discontinued the feature of adding the phone number. If you belong to the reason, that might be the cause why you do not have the add phone number option to you. Now third is if you are under 13 or underage, you need to verify your age so that you can add your phone number. In my case, my birthday mentions it that I am underage, which means in order to add phone number, I will have to verify my age. If you are the same, you need to enter either your driving license, passport, or ID card that verifies you of certain age. Once you are verified, you'll be able to add your phone number. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.